Okay, so what I was saying here, I hope I'm audible, right? Clearly to everyone.
Yes.
No, it is not true, Pramod, that the question that you have asked that data engineer or data analysis job will be taken by AI, it's completely false. Data engineering is a different domain which is not taken by any kind of AI and all, right? Data engineering basically mean that you will going to process the data with a Spark, Hadoop technology, and various other tool. Okay, that is required. Okay, nobody will going to get AI and all. Basically, they take the job of engineers. Okay, so it could be any engineer, not only the data engineer and all. But it is not true because you need developers. Okay, you need a developer to write a code to check the code because AI and chatbot, whatever we are using in our day-to-day life, they cannot give you 100% correct result. Okay, that's the reason you need someone who can manually do it, who can monitor it, right? Second thing, yeah, we can continue our session, right? So with the cloud and okay, with cloud technology and other, okay, so there are other tool as well that we're going to learn here is Power BI. Okay, Power BI is the one tool that is used to make a report and dashboard. You'll come to know what is a dashboard, what is report. Okay, dashboard and report will going to show you with the Power BI. So if you learn this skill, definitely you can crack any of this interview above. Okay, this data engineering, data science, data analysis, and even I will going to teach you the cloud, which is GCP. I will going to cover Google Cloud Platform. Google Cloud I will going to cover in this course. Uh, there are other cloud as well available in the market. You might have heard about it. AWS cloud, then Microsoft Azure, right? You might have heard about it. Microsoft Azure. So see, technology is different. Technology can vary from company to company. But if you learn any of the cloud, you can easily learn the other cloud too. Okay. If you learn any of the cloud, like for example, if you learn Google Cloud, you can also easily work on AWS cloud, Azure cloud. There are other cloud as well, like Salesforce, right? Then the Oracle cloud. There are multiple cloud are there, but you don't need to learn everything. If you learn any one of the cloud, it is more than enough. Okay, if you have learned any one of that cloud, it is more than enough. Okay, so so in this syllabus from tomorrow onward, I will start on Excel. Okay, in Excel we're going to learn different formulas that usually ask in the interview. Okay, and day by day we're going to learn different technology. Okay, today I will upload the recording. You can watch it. Okay, so basic thing you should be aware about it. Okay, what is data? First of all, the first question they ask you in the interview, what is data? So you have to say this, that data is a raw fact and figure. Raw fact and figure means it is something like the raw data. Okay, it is something like a raw data. Okay, something like a raw data means, for example, you bring vegetable, grocery from the market, right? So that is called a raw food, right? Unless you cook the food, unless you prepare the food, will you able to eat? No, right? Similar way, you will have a raw data with you. Unless you unless you process the data, you won't get the information, right? Are you getting my point? Just like you bring the grocery, vegetable from the market, okay, unless you cook the food, you won't be able to eat, right? Similar thing, unless you process the data, you won't get the information. Information means what? That what is the data is, right? How you are going to understand the data. So this is all about your data related thing. What is data analysis? What is data engineering? What is data science? Right? If you remember, I have explained you in my last lecture, right? That basically data analysis means what? Whose work is to just analyze the data. Okay? Analyze data. And for this, they use the tool Excel, Python, okay, and Power BI. That's it. Okay, they use these three tools only: Excel, Power BI, and Python. What do you mean by data science? Okay, what do you mean by data science or machine learning engineer, ML engineer? ML engineer work is, okay, what data analysis do, they also do. What data analysis do, they also do. Plus, they do additional thing like forecasting. Okay, they do the additional thing forecasting, and they know the cloud as well. Okay, this is called as a data scientist. And what do you mean by data engineer? Data engineer, they know data analysis. What data analysis do, they do that. Plus, they know the data science. Okay, what data scientists do, they do that. Plus, now they do their own operation like Spark, Hadoop, okay, cloud, and little bit DevOps. Okay, so data engineer, that's why in this course in data engineering we have added a multiple skill that will going to help you to understand what is going on in the market and to get the job. Okay, so basically this course based on your question, Sunil, this course is basically what actually asked in the interview, first thing. And I will going to teach you in such a way that just like in the Udemy and other platform, the trainer, they deliver the lecture, right, from the basic. And so that the more important thing is learning. If you really learn, then you can easily able to crack the job, right? So the thing is that I will going to give you some interview question as well. I will train you what kind of question they ask in the interview. Plus, we're going to learn in a depth so that you should be able to handle the project from your own. Okay, you can able to crack the job, you can able to handle the project of your own. I will going to teach you this everything one by one. Okay, so if you have any query, please ping in the chat. Do you have any query, any question? Okay, anyone other having any question? Okay, so basically,
Thank you, sir.
so for today we can okay. So I hope it is clear to you what is data and engineering, what is data science, what are the skill we're going to learn. Okay. So tomorrow I will going to start an Excel. In Excel, I will going to teach you what are the different formulas are there. Okay. What are the different formulas are there. And okay. Okay. Thanks, Girish. Then after Excel, we'll start Python, SQL, machine learning day by day. Okay, so I want everyone to be participate or actively in this session.